Hello everyone, welcome back to Trampoline Workout Dude. Now today's video we're going to focus on exercises for the pelvic floor. So if you want to see exercise for the pelvic floor, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. These pelvic exercises useful, and you just do these 2 to 3 times a week and you will see that you will improve the function in your pelvic area. So if you like this video, it would be amazing if you could just hit like, subscribe, and share this video. I plan on being the authority figure in this niche, so please help me out by just liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. Until the next video.